Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most amazing day. Today guys, I want to bring you a random haul from Poundland. As you know, a lot of my videos are from Poundland. I love Poundland and I always pick up awesome little bargains. So everything in today's video, I believe, was £1. Guys, you know Poundland sell things for £2, £3, £5, £10, whatever. But these are all pound items that I purchased at Poundland. So without further ado, let's get started. The first little items that I picked up a set of two. When I see these little cars, I do like to pick them up. So let's open these up and show you guys really quickly. These are really super lightweight, but they're still really fun little toys. I don't mind so much the packaging. I don't really like this one, but the rest of the packaging is fine. But these are little emergency, sorry guys, you can't see, little emergency vehicles, which I think are adorable. You've got this cute little ambulance. I suppose ambulances aren't cute, but they're really good movement. We have an ambulance. We have a police car. You guys can see these are just, if this would focus, these are just little plastic police cars. Still fun to play with. And we have a fire engine. I know a lot of kids love the fire service. So these are really adorable. And for £1 for three little cars, I mean, even though they're super lightweight, I still think is pretty decent. And they're just fun to play with. If your kids have pocket money, it's always fun to take them to Poundland, let them spend £1, and just enjoy the toys. They're not built to last, but most toys nowadays aren't. But I really like these little items, so I picked up two of those. Guys, you've seen these on my channel so many times. I still pick them up. I love them. They're antibacterial house wipes. I love anything with lemon. These ones are gorgeous. They smell really, really lovely because they've got mandarin. It says it kills 99% of germs, including MRSA. It cuts through grease, dirt, and it actively neutralizes odors. These are fantastic. They're made by Mr. Valet by Sapro, and these are a big value pack. So you're getting 90 wipes for £1, which I think is awesome. I mean, these will last me quite a long time. So I always pick these up and put them into my trolley. I love these little squeaky clean body puffs. Love the fact that Poundland do three of these for £1. They don't last super long. I mean, I might get a couple of months out of one, but I always buy the 3 set because I have spares. And my one that I currently am using is broken. I've had it for about 4 months, so it was time for new ones. So I bought a pack of 3. I will use one now and keep 2 for spare. But if you guys are making up a little gift pack or a little pamper pack for someone you know and love, these are always amazing to put into those little gift sets. So if I need a gift set, a little gift basket, I'll put them together. I may end up using these, but I think they're a lot of fun and I really, really like them. Love these set of Let's Party 4 self-inflating balloons. They're all the same. They all say happy birthday. There's a little tab or a little packet inside. You pop it really hard and it expands. It makes it really rigid and puffy, and they're really, really decent size. You get the little stand that goes along with it. So if you wanted to make these for a kid's party and put them into their takeaway bags, you know, their party bags, these are a lot of fun. And if you want to just decorate a cake, this would absolutely work. These little stands are they're super sturdy, and they simply go together by, you pop it and then you just attach. Super simple, super easy. So when I see these, I always pick them up. When I make the kids' birthday presents, I tend to tape one of these to their party bag or their birthday bag, and it just puts that extra little touch. I really, really like those. I have bought tons of those in the past. I've used them all, so I needed to pick up some more. Because I picked up Look how cute these are. I don't even know if you guys can fully see. Let me see if I can bring you out a little bit. So I picked up these rainbow coloring sets. They were £1. I thought that was a really decent value. I picked these up for some of the kids. This pack contains 8 coloring sheets, 7 coloring pencils, and reusable stickers, which I just think are so fun and so vibrant. For a pack of these at £1, I think that's really good value. And I know the kids are going to love them. So I picked up 2. I have a really bad habit of going to Poundland and picking up more than one of a certain item. I do that all the time, but I think they're pretty good. And I bought those specifically for the kids, so they'll have a bit of activity to do. And I love doing activities with the kids, so that is super fun for me. Guys, I couldn't help it. I'm a big Lego fan. I've been building a lot, buying a lot of, and building a lot of the little blocks lately, just because I love the tiny little houses. They're really tiny and they all connect to make a city. I've been doing a lot of that lately. I saw this book and it kind of reminded me of Lego. It's just a fun little notebook. It has these movable letters. This pack contains a set of 31 interchangeable letters. They came in blue and in red. One of my favorite colors is blue, so I picked up the blue. I also love purple. It had a lot of purple. And you can just, these are so fun. These just pop off and you can move them, spell out anything you like. It's colorful because it's got different colors of the letters, so that's fun. And it has this silicone. I just love the feel of this silicone front cover, and it's a lined notebook. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this notebook. I take a lot of notes, I guess, at work, and this will just be something a little different to keep my notes in. But it's fully lined. I love the fact that it has these rings. It makes it easy to turn the page over. And for £1, I think that's fun. I mean, if your kids needed to get a notebook for school, why not make it a bit more fun? So this for me is definitely a lot of fun. We're just going to pop that back into the, we'll pop that back in the packet later. The next couple of items that I have, we've got 4 items left. Let me show you guys. This I picked up, it is a Maggie and Bianca Fashion Friends. It's made by Simba. And this is just a friendship bracelet. This is a Bianca friendship bracelet, or Bianca. I like to say the name Bianca. I think it sounds much nicer. And I bought this for the charity box. I tend to buy throughout the year when I see things that I think are really good value. I tend to pick them up and put them in a box underneath my spare bed and keep them for Christmas so I can make charity packs. Coming closer to Christmas, I'll show you guys how I make those charity packs. And if you're interested in donating to charity, they're really, really inexpensive. They're super, super easy to make, and you'll make some child smile. And that's exactly what it's all about. So this little friendship bracelet is adorable. Let me show you guys. You get the bracelet right here. It has a little scissors charm, if you guys can see. Focus. It has a little scissors charm right here. It has a little, is this a cleft? I'm not sure, but this is a little note symbol. It has the Maggie and Bianca Fashion Friends charm. It has the little lips charm. It has the bee charm, and it has the love charm. You can use all of these charms. You can use none of these charms, but you can customize it to look different every day. So guys, this was only £1. I thought that was a really great value. And that will become part of my Christmas charity packs. So that's super awesome. Next thing I also bought is for the Christmas charity packs. I tend to put maybe 5 or 6 items and then a packet of sweets onto each one of my charity packs, and I decorate them. I make them look super pretty, and what I'm told is that they always, when people see them, they always fly out. So I'm really, really happy. But this is a Fab Friends style stick and style bangles. You can create 5 cool bangles. You get 262 colorful stickers. Let me show you guys. I bought these last year when I was making my charity packs, and they just flew out. I couldn't believe how quickly the packs went with these little bracelets on it. So you get a set of, I don't know if these are emojicons or if they're something different, but you get these little stickers. You get a set of 5 bracelets, all different sizes, which is pretty cool. Let me show you guys. You get an extra large, you get 2 of the medium-sized bracelets, and you get 2 of the smaller bracelets. So you can mix, match, and choose whatever you want to wear, how to decorate. I think they're just funky and fresh. They're very vibrant. They're very vibrant and colorful. And guys, with this, you get your customized stickers. So you can put your name on it. You can put a friend's name on it and give it away to one of your BFFs. And you get all these other little fun stickers. So this is just a really nice, fun little activity. And it makes the charity packs look pretty good. So that is that one. Oh, I'm throwing everything off. Let me just throw that into the pack. So that will also go into my charity box, but I think it's pretty cool. Another item I bought for my charity box. I love these little like groovy labs. I think they're so much fun. This is Experiment and Learn. It is a surprise bath bomb lab. It is made by STEM. And inside this, you get everything that you need to make a bath bomb. So you get, the set contains citric acid, baking soda, 1 heart mold, 1 unicorn toy, 1 mica powder, 1 fragrance, a foil wrap sheet, and a set of instructions. So this is what the pack contains. I love the fact that you get this little unicorn little toy that you can put inside your bath bomb. So when it dissolves, this appears. You get is that strawberry scent? I'm not really sure what that scent is. Does it tell me? Is it a mystery? It is strawberry. It looks strawberry. So you're getting a strawberry scent. You're getting your mold. You get your, this does say foil, but this is not foil. This is more plastic wrapping. You get your little tie to tie it up. And you've also got some fun little biodegradable glitter. So I think this is super fun. This will also make a welcome addition to the charity pack. My charity box is actually getting super full. I do plan to do a video to show you guys the amount of things that I've got for the charity. I'm so happy that I've been able to pick these things up. And I just can't wait to make the packs. I love making the packs. I love donating the packs. It just makes me happy. So the next thing that I got, guys, are these little lockets. Now these little lockets, I've checked these out on eBay, and these go for around about £5. So to get this in Poundland for £1, I think is awesome. I did have one of these that I bought before. I think it might be on one of my videos. And I opened it off camera. These are super fun. Inside this pack, the pack contains 3 locket toppers. So you get 3 of these, 3 locket backs, 3 bracelets, 12 charms, 9 gems, 6 backgrounds, a locket crimper, and a set of easy instructions. And it is so super easy. You get your little case, which is see-through. You pop in your backing, you pop in some crystals, and it's almost like, you know, those floating necklaces that you've seen around. This is what these look like. Super fun for kids. It's 5+, and it's just a really fun activity. The good thing about these are that even when you've made the locket, or even when you've made your bracelet, you can change it up. The backs come off, the stickers are removable, the gems float. So when you move, it floats around your arm. So super, so much fun. That's everything I have in this haul. I love Poundland, guys. Like, I can't tell you how great it is to be able to go in and spend a little bit of money to get quite a bit for your money and be able to put packs together, and do things, for someone else. It makes me super happy. So I love Poundland. You guys will see a lot of Poundland videos coming up, because this is the time of the year that I start to kind of buy more and more and more for the charity, and when I can. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like this video. Anytime you guys like the video, it really, really helps support my channel and it boosts it. So please keep on liking my video. If you guys are not a subscriber, want to come ahead and join us, please feel free to do so. We would love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, just hit the notification bell. Guys, take care. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Please look out for each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.